molweni abantu bakuthi make indawo uzahlukeneyo apha ngaseKapa. Igama lami nguSandiso ifana nguphalisa. Ujola umphango mempondomise, itholo mthwakazi, umfazi obele linye lide phezu komlanjana. Abantu bakuthi thunyiwe apha kuthiwa ngumushe, Mushe Velaphi. Umushe Velaphi wadlala lapha kwelibala. Wadlala lapha kwelibala. Ngoku umushe uthi umushe kule weekend ilandelayo ye9 ne10 kaMeyi uzakwenza itournament apha edibene neGreater Philippi Local Football Association GPLFA. Futhi abantu abaphume eqala bazawufumana 13,000, onumber 2 bafumane 4,000, athathe imali nge5,000 apho ayifunda khona ayise kubantwana abathengele izihlangu. Kule mpela veki sayiqala ngoku kulomhla wethoba nomhla weshumi lenyanga kaMeyi apho kwelibala bonabona kuzobakho itumente apho kuzoqobisana amaqembu asports. Iqala ngomgqibelo iyophela ngecawe zinsuku zimbili. Kuze bekunzima abantu bakuthi afuna ucacisa kwami ke ibe ngathi ndifihla amakhuba okulinywa okanye ndiqoshelisa inkunkuma emveni kocango. Nangu uMoshe Velaphi uyayicacisa.
Good day everyone. Igama lami nguMushe from Lower Crossroads in Philippi. I'm proud to announce by this coming weekend myself and Tembo Royals will be hosting a top 8 tournament in Philippi Bransfarm. 6 teams from Philippi LFA and 1 team from Mandalay and 1 from Nyanga LFA will participate in the tournament. Each team as a participating in the tournament will have to register 1,000 rand, and a total amount of 21,000 has been donated to this tournament. The reason behind it teams baz bhatala imali register is because of we have prizes. As prizes zihamba kanje, a winner will receive 13,000, number 2 afumane 4,000, 7,000 will go towards LFA yase Philippi to help and support ukmanager league, and 5,000 will be taken kuthengwe izihlangu for abantwana base Lower Crossroad Primary School sibe 32 as I'm celebrating a birthday which I'm turning 32 years this month actually. So the purpose for this tournament is very clear, is to support and uplift LFA Philippi and to give a platform to players the LFA as overlookwayo when like we have major tournaments, because most teams when we play these tournaments they go out and pick players. So this tournament it means by like ilendo player edlala ku ABC Castle nezinye academies are not allowed to play. Secondly, each team must field 5 players as the under 20, and as players you are not allowed to sub them before 45 minutes. You have to allow them to play until half time. Thirdly, each teams are allowed to pick players within their LFA. Igama le team alko important we card. What's important is the name of the LFA. Same applies to Nyanga. Same applies to Mandalay. I hope all this makes sense. Thank you everyone for watching this, and sisingavuya xa ningaza numbers to support the tournament. Thank you.
Ayixabanisi. Ngiyacelwa abantu bakuthi uba niphume ngobuninzi beni nizoxhasa uMushe Velaphi bayenza le tournament. Ngasekapa. Ayixabanisi. Ekseni grade zokalani le grade so. Ngasekapa. Kumile grade. Ayixabanisi babethi. Oniphathele inqako Sandiso Phalisa ePhilippi ngasekapa.